Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna unbox this mid-range graphic card from AMD. It is RX 9060 XT, which is built by Asus, 8GB. So from my point of view, the price to performance ratio of this graphic card is really good. You can play most games really well. So today I'm going to show you as well how to install this new graphic card on your PC. So this uses the PCIe Express 5, and however it is also backward compatible. In my case, my motherboard is actually supporting PCIe Express 4. Let's unwrap the plastics one by one. There you go, this is my PC. So first thing, if you have your old GPU, you are going to unplug the GPU from the PC first. It is very simple. So actually for illustration purposes, I don't have my old GPU here. I'm going to just show you the reverse of this video to show you how to detach your old GPU from your system. Let's run this quickly. Unscrew the GPU from the casing. Next, you're going to unplug all the cables, which is the power cable that is attached to your power supply. So there will be like a little latch at the top for you to pull it down a little bit, then only you can pull it. And then also on the motherboard side, there's like a little latch which you can just feel it with your finger. You need to press it a little bit, then only you can pull the GPU. So okay, with the GPU taken off, now it is exposing the PCIe slot. So we are going to do the same process in there. So first step, you are going to put the GPU on the PCIe slot, and this time when you put it on the slot, you are going to hear like a click, which means the latch is engaged on the motherboard side and it is locking the GPU in place. Okay, so after you put the GPU, you need to screw it on the PC casing. Normally there will be 2 screws to hold your GPU in place. And then the next thing is you need to put in the PCIe power cable, which is coming from your power supply. In this case, the 9060 XT here requires the 8-pin power cable. So usually from the power supply, it comes as a 6+2 connector like this one. This has been made unique so that when you pair them together, there's like a locking mechanism there. So you cannot mistaken it for something else. So this makes it an 8-pin PCIe power cable. So now you can plug in the cable on the GPU. Make sure it clicks when you plug in. So lastly, let's attach our DisplayPort or HDMI cable to the GPU. Power on the PC. The fan on the GPU side will turn on. So in my case, I have 2 fans and both are spinning for a brief moment, which means that we are installing it correctly. Alright, now all my fans are also up and running. My PC is ready. So that is all I have for you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.